started overthinking, and I started thinking about the end, and thinking about how it's gonna end, and why it's gonna end.
What can I do? What's left for a time bomb to choose? Than to count down our time to the end, knowing what we've been through. Tell me now, isn't that cruel? So what now? You hope for the best while I'm waiting for less. Such a beautiful mess, tell me how time will allow us not to take our final bows. Just before the night escapes us, waiting for the waves to take us. Let me look in your eyes. Your smile's always been mine. Just before this ends, I'll look back, waiting for the screen to turn black. If I could ever rewind, know that we were never a waste of time. Kept on giving all the wrong signs, dead ends when we took drives. Kept on trying just to stop trying. Tired of always being so tired. We had it all, can't deny. Hurts to say goodbye when your eyes tell me no. You can't decide the sense of time to flow. Just had to let go. The scars are so perfectly placed. The memories fade but remain. Put your hand in mine. We'll be alright, the finish line just one